Thorchain Rune price has rallied for 5 straight months and is now hovering at its highest point since May 2022. It was trading at $6.80, which was about 805% above the lowest level in 2023. Its total market cap has jumped to over $2.3 billion, making it the 29th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. Transaction volume spikes. Thorchain has evolved from being a small cross-chain platform into one of the leading decentralized exchanges DEX in the world. Using its platform, users can swap, borrow, and earn returns on their tokens. The most recent data by CoinMarketCap shows that Thorchain has become the 5th biggest DEX in the world after DYDX, Uniswap, Vertex Protocol, Kine, and PancakeSwap. It handled over $158 million worth of tokens in the past 24 hours. The most popular tokens traded in its ecosystem are Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, and USDC. Other metrics are also doing well. Thorchain has over $1.1 billion in total value locked TVL, while the total liquidity in the ecosystem has soared to over $371 million. The number of unique swappers in the platform has jumped to over 100K in the past few months. Thorchain's ecosystem is also doing well. Thor Wallet, a platform for trading tokens and NFTs, has seen its user base jump recently. On Friday, the developers said that the DEX had over 60K downloads and 10K new users in the past 30 days. The meme coin reckoning has come. Next 100x pre-sale. Buy now. Inbez News Crypto. Thorchain price has surged by over 805% from its lowest point this year. The volume of tokens traded in the exchange has jumped in the past few months. Thorchain Wallet TWT token has also jumped sharply. Follow Inbez on Telegram, Twitter, and Google News for instant updates greater than. Thorchain Rune price has rallied for 5 straight months and is now hovering at its highest point since May 2022. It was trading at $6.80, which was about 805% above the lowest level in 2023. Its total market cap has jumped to over $2.3 billion, making it the 29th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. Transaction volume spikes. Thorchain has evolved from being a small cross-chain platform into one of the leading decentralized exchanges DEX in the world. Using its platform, users can swap, borrow, and earn returns on their tokens. The most recent data by CoinMarketCap shows that Thorchain has become the 5th biggest DEX in the world after DYDX, Uniswap, Vertex Protocol, Kine, and PancakeSwap. It handled over $158 million worth of tokens in the past 24 hours. The most popular tokens traded in its ecosystem are Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, and USDC. Other metrics are also doing well. Thorchain has over $1.1 billion in total value locked TVL, while the total liquidity in the ecosystem has soared to over $371 million. The number of unique swappers in the platform has jumped to over 100K in the past few months. 100,000 unique swappers in November. Thorchain's ecosystem is also doing well. Thor Wallet, a platform for trading tokens and NFTs, has seen its user base jump recently. On Friday, the developers said that the DEX had over 60K downloads and 10K new users in the past 30 days. Invest and trade CFD stocks, ETFs, digital assets and commodities in minutes with our highest rated broke. 82% of retail CFD accounts lose money. Ad. This explains why the TGT price has gone vertical in the past few days. It rose to an all-time high of 50 cents on Monday, 415% above its lowest point in September. Thorchain was also integrated by Edge, a self-custody wallet. Rune price will likely continue doing well if the ongoing crypto rally intensifies. Bitcoin has already made a move above $41,000 while the total market cap of all digital currencies has soared to over $1.6 trillion. In most cases, DEX and CEX exchanges do well. When cryptocurrencies are soaring, the daily chart shows that the Thorchain price has been in a strong uptrend in the past few months. It jumped by over 805% from its lowest point in June to its highest level on Sunday, making it one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the market. Most recently, it flipped the key resistance at $6.67, the 16th of November high, into a support. Rune price has remained above the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages (EMA). It has also retested the support at $6.67. A break and retest is one of the most popular signs of a bullish continuation. Therefore, the outlook for Rune price is still bullish, with the initial level to watch being at $7.2815. A break above that price will see it rise to the key resistance at $7.50. Bitcoin is now the 10th biggest asset by market cap, following Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, and Nvidia. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, is gaining momentum versus global big cap stocks as it overtakes the market value of American conglomerate holding company Berkshire Hathaway. BTC market cap has risen above $800 billion on December 4, after nudging past billionaire investor Warren Buffett's company On Deck. 3. As Bitcoin surged past $40,000 over the weekend, the market capitalization of the cryptocurrency rose to above $780 billion, just beating Berkshire Hathaway's $779 billion on deck. 3. Berkshire Hathaway's Class A BRK stock closed the market at $542 on December 1, with a market capitalization of $779 billion, according to data from TradingView. The stock has seen a slight decline recently, slipping around 1.3% over the past 5 days. Despite the recent drop, Berkshire Hathaway is still up 4.7% over the past 30 days and 14.7% year-to-date YTD. The volatility of BRK is nowhere near that of Bitcoin, which surged 20% over the past month and almost 150% YTD, according to data from CoinGecko. The cryptocurrency has been steadily hitting multi-month highs recently, surpassing $41,000 on December 4 for the first time since April 2022. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's market cap amounts to $811 billion, or 4% higher than the market value of Berkshire Hathaway. Founded in 1839, Berkshire Hathaway is a multinational conglomerate holding firm headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska, the United States. Berkshire's main business is insurance, from which it invests in a big portfolio of companies, including Bank of America and Apple. Cryptocurrency lawyer John Deaton took to X, formerly Twitter, to comment on the news. "That's a pretty damn big bottle of rat poison," Deaton wrote, referring to the words of Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett, who famously called Bitcoin rat poison squared in 2018. Data from company's market cap. Bitcoin is now the 10th biggest asset by market cap, following Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, and Nvidia, whose market value currently stands at $834 billion and $1.2 trillion, respectively. With Bitcoin's market cap surging past $800 billion, the cryptocurrency is now 38% short of its all-time high market value posted in November 2021, when BTC price was closing $69,000. The current bullish action could mark the second time in the history of Bitcoin when its market capitalization would reach $1 trillion. Bitcoin previously broke a $1 trillion market cap in February 2021 at $53,700. An anonymous Shiba Inu whale wallet has made significant moves by withdrawing a staggering 600 billion SHIB, valued at approximately $5.7 million, from Binance. This transaction comes shortly after the same entity withdrew 250 billion SHIB, around $2.3 million, just 9 days prior. The consequence of these substantial withdrawals has coincided with a 10% uplift in SHIB's price, stirring conversations and speculations within the cryptocurrency sphere. This pattern of withdrawals by a single entity could be indicative of several market strategies. One possible interpretation is a shift toward holding the assets in private wallets, which may suggest a long-term bullish outlook by the whale on the future of SHIB. Such a move might also reflect a strategy to reduce exposure to exchange-related risks, given the recent history of exchange hacks and security breaches. These transactions come at a time when meme coins, like Shiba Inu and its cohort member Pepe, are experiencing an uptick alongside a broader market recovery. The upsurge in SHIB's price following the withdrawals aligns with this trend. However, while the market's response may seem encouraging, it is essential for investors to tread with caution. Meme coins are known for their volatility, often experiencing rapid price reversals that can catch investors off guard. recently discussed Bitcoin's BTC potential role in advancing Western civilization through currency innovation in a November 4 post on social media platform X, formerly Twitter. Armstrong highlighted Bitcoin's capacity to combat inflation, a prevalent issue linked to traditional fiat currencies. He emphasized that the prevailing trend allows countries with reserve currency status, such as the U.S. dollar, to inflate their money supply and escalate deficit spending while exerting significant global influence. The Coinbase CEO argued that BTC now presents a viable alternative that addresses this inflation dilemma associated with fiat currencies like the dollars, yuan, and euros.